nigga knocked me off my pivot. God sat me down and talked to me, I listened. I was in that cell, he told me that I don't get it, that I don't make it in the booth, then I'ma make it in the kitchen. I'm special with the mic, special with the whipping. I ran out of money, had to pay attention to all the people that were around me, they ain't have my best interest. You ain't have my best interest. You lazy with your loyalty and your position.